This is 1972 Olds Cutlass Supreme 442. Now the 442 in 1972 referred to not a specific model number, but an option package. And I'll refer you to an article that clears that up somewhat. Now under the hood here is a 350. And of course it's the Oldsmobile gold color. And the car has AC, a factory AC car. Looks to be in very nice condition. And this color certainly is very arresting. A part of that trim package includes all the 442 markings, and when we get to the top of the hood we'll see that it includes these chrome louvers which I don't believe really open excuse me, open into the engine compartment itself. There they are. A very nice interior, but you'll notice it's a bench seat. And that makes it practical for, hauling more people around. The back end has the taillights that half of them are in the upper part of the bumper and half of them are in the lower, as you can see here. Backup lamps on either side of the license plate. There's the exhaust trumpet. Very nice looking car, and I was surprised to learn that 442 didn't have the conventional meaning anymore at this point. So I'll give you the reference to that article. Very nice. They always had a nice instrument panel. As you see, it's a column shift for the Olds automatic. Very nice.